Hey Porsche fans, it's DelMazzio at Porsche Greenwich, and right behind me I happen to have arguably one of the nicest 991 Carrera 4S cabriolets you're going to find anywhere. You can reach out to me directly to find out more. My details are down below, my phone number is there to call or text, and my email address. So look no further, reach out to me and I can help you out with this. This car is mind-boggling for a few reasons. One, it's paint to sample in macadamia metallic, one of the nicest brown colors I've ever seen on a Porsche, ever. And we have the beautiful interior, which we're gonna get to in a moment. Wait till you see it. But wait, there's more. This car can have up to 6 years of warranty, factory warranty, mind you. No other brand would ever do that on their certified pre-owned cars, but Porsche puts their money where their mouth is, and here it is. This car can have 6 years of warranty. As it's advertised, it has 2 years of CPO, but you can add up to 4 if you wish. Let's get into it. I know you're sick and tired of looking at me. Let's get into it. Now, as you know, if you are new to the channel, I do all my videos in one take, so I try not to fluff these things up and edit. This is a raw look at my inventory. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, appreciate it. I'll wait. All right, thank you very much. Now let's get into it. This car has the popular Carrera Classic wheels, which look fantastic. The outside of the wheel is machine finished, and it has a layer of clear coat over it to give it that beautiful shine. And then the inner part of the wheel is done in volcano gray. Beautiful. Porsche center caps. But wait, right behind this wheel is the ceramic brake option. PCCBS, yellow brake calipers. These are not painted calipers after the fact. Like, this is like the legit option from the factory. You're spending well over $8 grand just to get these high performance brakes all on this car. If you drive this car on the road, they say these rotors and pads can last up to 120,000 miles. Mind-boggling. You can find that on this particular car. I love the way the yellow looks over the brown as well too. We have the PDLS headlights. So these are the first-gen headlights that do the swiveling and all that fancy jazz, which is great. 991.1 has the LED lower lights, which is great. The 997.2 had LEDs, but this is a nicer integration. The previous owner also did the clear corner lenses, very nice. And you can tell that this is four-wheel drive because you have the flared out rocker panel at the bottom, which is great. And the back end is wider as well too. And then the other way you can tell this is four-wheel drive, on 991s.1s, if there's a taillight bar extension, then it's four-wheel drive. We have sport exhaust on this one. It sounds absolutely mean. And this car it comes with a full paint correction as well. It's just done. It looks absolutely insane. The color is so rich. This one has keyless access, so you simply press this and lock the doors, and that's how you walk away. To unlock, put your hand in here, the car unlocks, and there you go. Oh, this is my favorite interior of all 991s, Espresso Cognac two-tone full leather. So the top is espresso. This is like a dark brown with the deviated stitching. That looks great. And then you have the stitching all throughout here. All right. And we have the 14-way power seats in the Cognac. Great condition on the seat. Just a little bit of wear on the corner there. Here are the adjustments for the seat. You have the espresso floor mats to match. All right, this is the sport design steering wheel. All right, so it has the proper flappy paddles, which is a nice option to have. And it has the extended dashboard panel. So you have extra leather up here with deviated stitching that you can see from the outside, and it goes around the speaker grill, which is great. And it also goes around the Sport Chrono lap timer. And there's the Sport Chrono timer there as well too. This one has the Sport Chrono package as mentioned, so you have Sport, Sport Plus, you have the PASM suspension as standard, and you have the Sport exhaust over there, which is great. She has heated and cooled seats, and it only has 34,463 miles as of filming. All right? So once again, if you want this vehicle, please reach out to me directly. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and I'd love to work with you. This car also has the Power Kit package. So instead of having 400 horsepower, this one has 430 horsepower, just like the GTS does of the same generation. So that's fantastic. It has the upgraded intake plenum. It has the sport exhaust. It has the different engine parameters to give you the extra horsepower. It's absolutely lovely. Come around this side and show you how she looks. So if you want to find out more details about this one, please do reach out to me. Oh, they also put these really nice tweeter speakers in here on the A-pillars. I have never seen something done so eloquently on the aftermarket side. It's quite lovely. There is a amplifier in the front trunk, otherwise known as the frunk. I'm going to show it to you now. Grab the key. I mean, look at how clean that looks. Is that not insane? Like, I don't know if you've ever looked at other 991.1s, but I challenge you to try and find another car that has this type of finish on it. So take a look at the details. Unfortunately, this little this grill work that they did looks like something kind of broke it. But the work that they put in here, I mean, if you told me this came from the factory, I would actually believe you. I'm currently working on some special wishes cars with some celebrities, and this is the type of stuff that you find when you select special wishes. This was done definitely on the aftermarket side, but the level of detail, I mean, the font is right. They got everything just spot on. It looks great. You can tell that they really cared, and this was, you know, someone that really wanted to make their car special in every way, from every option from the factory to the extra options here. So I think that's going to wrap it up for our video. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And I know I'm repeating myself, but please, my name is Rich DelMazzio. I'm at Porsche Greenwich. Reach out to me. My info is down below. I'll tell you all the details. I'll send you the build sheet. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So make sure you like and subscribe, all right? And merch is coming out soon. Hey Porsche fans, t-shirts, etc. And you can also find me on Instagram. That's my handle, Hey Porsche fans. So thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.